Hello, this is my OTF knife with interchangeable blades. So you push this button on the back and put a new one in. Hold the button down, clicks in, that's it. Really easy. Really cool. Came with 3 blades and it came in this really nice little case. Got it on Amazon. Handle's 13 centimeters or 5 1/8 inches. Blade is about 6.5 centimeters or 2.5 inches, and overall 20 centimeters or 8 inches. Yeah, aluminum handle, very sturdy, strong deploy. It's nice. I like this. It's cool. It's very unique. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more. Leave any questions or comments down below.